Need a locksmith? Call us first. You need to trust your security to a licensed and professional locksmith with hundreds of happy customers and well known in the community. Our technicians are fully trained, vetted, and bonded and have many years of on-the-job experience. Locked out of your home or auto? We can be there to help you fast and with prices you can afford. We handle all residential and commercial accounts and can change all your locks for one all-inclusive charge. Whether you need one lock replaced or a full security system workup, we can handle all your needs at a price you can afford. Feel free to visit or call us for fast, friendly service. When you've locked yourself out, we'll be there fast, do the job, and leave you happier than how we found you. We look forward to meeting you and serving your security needs soon. Call us today.